right here on the Kareem Family Channel. We about to be whipping up some lemon pepper wings for y'all, man. I'm talking about some scrumptious bomb ones, man. Make Wingstop look like they be so dry at Wingstop. I don't even eat Wingstop, man. When I want some bomb wings, I do it Dad's way. You want it the bomb way, you do it Dad's way. No one does it better, baby, right here on Dad's Kitchen. So check it out, man. I'm finna wash my hands. And without further ado, let's get into this. Get over here. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me show y'all the wings we working with, man. We got them already cut up, man. We ain't gotta do no cutting. So we got enough wings. It's just me and the fam bam. And I'm finna rinse these off. And I'm finna wash my hands right now, man, to show y'all what we working with, man. And how we do this right here on Dad's Kitchen, baby. Nobody does it better. Nobody does it better. Soak these hands up, get that water real hot. You know what I'm saying? I got that grease cooking. And I'm about to break the ingredients out and show y'all all what I'm about to do and put into these. If y'all want it the bomb way, do it Dad's way. Y'all want it the right way, you know what I'm saying? And guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that video that I did on Shireen, man. I got her back real good, man, on that breakup prank, man. You know what I'm saying? And be looking out for a video I did on the kids too. I got them back too on the prank. Get over here, you know what I'm saying? So it's all good, baby. We finna go to that walleye cabin and break these seasonings out. So we got that Lawry's, right? We're going with that Lawry's. We're going with the Lawry's garlic. We're going with the lemon pepper. You got to have the lemon pepper if you're making lemon wings, right? And I got something else I'm gonna go with too. I'm gonna put a little kick to it. Some Tony's Creole, man. All right, so y'all stay tuned while I get into this, and I'm gonna rinse this meat off, and I'm gonna start seasoning up, and I'll get back to y'all in a minute. Peace. Okay, right, guys, so now we got the seasoning jumping off. What we wanna go do, we wanna go Lawry's, right? Get that Lawry's all in there, right? Little Tony's, right? Go Tony's or whatever, you know, seasoning, Creole seasoning you got. This just got a lot of flavor to it, man. You know, then you want to go garlic, right? The garlic, you know what I'm saying? And then you want to put a little lemon pepper. You want to save most of the lemon pepper. I'm going to show y'all a trick to this, right? So, just want to massage this all in, right? Flip them over. Do the same thing. Lawry's. A little bit of Tony, garlic, right? Now, little lemon pepper, right? Now, we want to just massage all this in, okay? We got that grease over there getting hot on 350, you know, and we finna do it, baby. We finna do it. We finna get it popping for y'all. Y'all wanna see some delicious wings? Y'all wanna see some delicious wings? Y'all see that? Wings finna be on deck, baby. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I drop these in that hot grease, and I'm gonna show y'all the next step. Peace. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do half buffalo, and we're gonna do half lemon, because you know the kids, they don't want the lemon, they want the buffalo. So me and Shireen eat the lemon ones, and you know, we'll just share it all like that, man. And I'm finna drop this in this hot grease, these wings, man, up in this hot grease, and we finna get it poppin' lagging, baby. We finna get it pizzoppin', you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Hey guys, when I'm done with these wings, I'm gonna show y'all the next step when I'm done with these wings right here on Dad's Kitchen. Peace. All right, baby, so we back. Let me turn this fan off. Let me turn these off. We're about to take the last batch of this golden brown, bomb golden brown. Man, do y'all see that, man? Do y'all see that? Cause who does it better, baby? Who does it better? Golden brown wings. It's going down, baby. Right here in Dad's Kitchen, you feel me? Alright, so now we got that, right? Now what we gonna do, guys, it's a little step to this, so I want y'all to pay attention. Hold on. Pay attention, baby, pay attention. Let me put this grease in this oven real quick so I clean it up. And I'm gonna show y'all what we working with next step. Okay? So like I said, get over here. Let me show y'all that golden brown chicken. These are naked, guys, so we're going with the naked ones because we're gonna do buffalo. And like I said, I like mine naked. That's with no flour, right? I'm about to drop some mac and cheese in there, broccoli going in there. I'm gonna melt some cheese on that. So stay tuned right here. I'm gonna show y'all this step, what I'm about to do, how I'm doing these lemon pepper wings. So I want y'all to look, pay attention, baby, because it's going down right here in Dad's kitchen. Going down, baby. No one does it better, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab about, I don't know, let's see. So we're gonna grab about that much, you know what I'm saying? And cause like I said, it's just me. And what I want y'all to do, guys, right? Let me move this chicken over here. What I want y'all to do is grab some butter. Pay attention, cause these for them lemon pepper wings. Grab some butter, right? Okay, melt this butter first. So we're gonna melt this butter real quick, hold on. Melt that butter down. And on these, guys, we're just gonna baste them with the red hot. This is the best one to use. I think I've done one prior, but I ain't for sure, a video of some hot wing buffaloes, but this is the one you wanna get. This is the bomb right here if you want them saucy, bossy ones, all right? So, that's that. And grab some paper towel there with this chicken right here into this buttermilk. And I want y'all to pay close attention. Okay? Now, butter melting. We got some lemon, right? I want y'all to slice this lemon on up. Right? Okay? Get over here. I want y'all to do, I want y'all to just squeeze that. Just like that. See that, how I did that on that chicken? That's how I want y'all to do. Alright? Now hold on, I'm finna get this butter and I'm gonna show y'all the next step. Butter should be melted. Yep, butter melted. Okay? Next step, right? I want y'all to grab some lemon pepper. Go on and dump some lemon pepper up in there, right? You gotta use butter, guys. Please use butter. Next, I want you to hit it with some parsley, right? Then we just want to stir this up a little bit. I seen somebody put some Parmesan to thicken this sauce up, and you know, let me give it a little taster right here. Alright, guys, that's what I'm talking about. So you want to just dump a little lemon pepper on them wings, right? And we're gonna go on in with the sauce and toss them up. Get over here. See that? How that look? Gotta use that real butter, guys. Have to use that real butter. Now you just wanna all on them wings, right? Right? Now, I ain't making too many because it's just me eating these, probably, and Shireen, but just wanna toss them up. Y'all with me? Toss them up. Toss them up, man. Toss them up, baby. Toss them up. You feel me? You want to toss them up. And I'm going to show y'all how these look. Look at that. Who does it better, baby? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me on them. Talk to me. Talk to me, man. Hold on. Let me show y'all, zoom in a close up on these things, man. Close up on these things, man. It's beautiful. That is art. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And what you could do, you could just rub them in like that, right? You know what I'm saying? Rub them on in, man. You know what I'm saying? Rub them on in, man. They even get a little better looking when you rub them in. Watch this, watch this, watch this. I'm gonna show y'all something. Watch this. Watch how that butter and that flavor just. Look at that, man. Hold on, guy. That's the one. Oh my goodness, Wingstop, watch out, baby. Going down, right here. Nobody does it better. Nobody does it better. They sure do give you little wings these days, don't they? If they ain't too little, they too big, man. I don't know what's wrong with this chicken these days. But there you have it, guys. I'm about to toss they buffalo ones up. I'm gonna show y'all how that's done too. But let me wash my hands real quick and I'll get back at y'all in a hot minute. Peace. And there you have it, guys. One lovely, 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 guys. Look at them lemon pepper wings, man. Who does it better, man? Who does it better? Talk to me. Look at the, look. Who does it better? Man, stop playing with me right here. Stop playing with me on Dad's Kitchen, bro. Stop playing with me. Who does it better? Please let me know. Guys, please. Who does it better? Please let me know, man. No games right here. Lemon pepper wings, Dad style, man. Wingstop ain't got nothing on me. If you new here, like, subscribe, comment down below, man. It's going down. Stay tuned. Hold on right here, cause I'm gonna show y'all. I ain't going nowhere. Hold on. So we gonna toss. What we gonna do is toss some hot wings up. Y'all with me? Toss these hot wings up, man. It's going down. Toss these hot wings up. Let's pour that sauce on up in there. And let me show you something. That's all you gotta do. Y'all with me? Y'all with me? Huh? That's one hand. That's skills right there. Y'all with me? Huh? Is y'all with me? That's one hand, man. That's one hand though. Y'all with me? Come on, guys. Come on, my people. Come on. Come on. One hand on them though. Y'all feel me? So, but we want to get them extra. We want to get them extra wet for y'all. So, my kids want them wet, so we're going to get them wet. Check it out. Get over here. That's them, guys. Do y'all see that? Let me put them side by side and give y'all a better view, because it's going down right here in Dad's Kitchen, man. Huh? Let me know something, guys. Let me know something. Let me know something, though. Huh? Huh? Let me know something. Huh? Huh? Let me know something then. Alright, y'all. As soon as it's done, I'm gonna show y'all the finished results with the whole plate. Cause I know y'all like to see the veggies and the, you know what I'm saying, and that bomb mac and cheese, and you know what I'm saying. So if you're new here, again, like, subscribe, comment down below, man. Tell your family and friends to share this video, man. And nobody does it better than Dad's Kitchen. Cause if you want it the bomb way, you do it Dad's way. No games, man, right here on the Kareem family. On my videos, I want y'all to go into the Kareem family on YouTube. Look up at the top for that playlist, man. Find that playlist, man. As soon as you find that playlist, we got pranks up in there. We got Dad's Kitchen up in there, you feel me? We got challenges, we got mukbangs. So it's going down, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. And start hitting them subscribes and them like buttons, man. Likes, more likes. and share that video, man, because we need all the love we can get from y'all, man. My people, y'all sticking with me, and I love y'all for that. Y'all sticking with the Kareem family, and we truly love y'all, man. And honestly, we do, man, you know. So we gonna keep these videos going for y'all, man. So start leaving some comments, letting us know what y'all want to do, man. We gonna work with y'all, man. Y'all working with us, and y'all stay in tune with us, man. So we stay in tune with y'all. We do right back too if you leave a comment. So we'll holler back. Hit that post notification bell if you want all our new videos up and coming, man. You'll automatically get notified, man, as soon as they come out. Alright? So we out of here. Peace. Alright, y'all. Finish final results. Finish final results, man. Finish final result. I didn't feel like doing no baked mac and cheese, so I just did the Velveeta, you know what I'm saying, shells with the broccoli with the cheese. You know what I'm saying? So there you go. There you have it, man. There you have it. Alright? Don't say I ain't whipped up nothing real quick and special for y'all, man, because you know how I do it in Dad's kitchen. You know how I do it, man.
I'll make it. Sorry.
I'm sorry, you alright? I'm finna end this guy because I got to grub, man. I got y'all eye for, man. Now it's time for the king to grub. So until the next one, love, peace, and happiness.